Okay, so if you're currently struggling with your muscle up, trying to get it clean, you probably are making this one mistake, which is thinking of the muscle up being two movements. So the pull and then the dip, right? So obviously, when you start out, right, and you unlock the muscle up for the first time, it's obviously getting over the bar and transitioning that makes it a muscle up, right? But eventually, as you progress, you want to make it cleaner and just look seamless, right? But the way you do that is not by thinking of it anymore as two movements, as a pull and a push. You want to explode as much as you can. So instead of thinking of it as a pull and then push, you want to come down and explode to the top. Trust me, your muscle ups will become so much easier